In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Emergent AI subscription. In order to do that, you first need to head over into your Emergent AI, which is onto the web. The URL for that is app.emergent.sh subscription. Now log in into your account and then click on your profile icon on the top right and select account settings. From in there, choose the manage plan option to cancel. So in here, you just need to head over and then log in directly. Click on your profile icon, then head over to your settings. Click on the manage plan or subscription section. You should be able to find it right there. If not, you can find it under the billing option. Now, once you're there, you can see the cancel plan option. Just follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation of your subscription. Once you're done, you won't be billed anymore for the next billing cycle, and you can still use the application until it expires. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.